Enjoy a relaxing stroll through the woods and take in all the little sights along the way on this hike of the Northwoods Loop Trail at Mohawk Park. Hello and welcome to the Oklahoma Hiker YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a short trail here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is the Northwoods Loop Trail out at Oxley Nature Center. The trail is accessed by the Oxbow Lake Trail and the Sierra Club Trail. So we have a little bit of winding back into the woods before we actually get to the loop, but I will show you the way. Come along. Turn right at the Sierra Club Trail sign. It takes you back to the Northwoods Loop. I have arrived at the intersection of the Sierra Club Trail with the Northwoods Loop. So here you have a choice of whether to go right or left. It doesn't matter. It's a loop. I think I'm going to go right on this one, and it should be just about a mile around until I intersect back with this trail and head back to the truck. So let's see it. A tornado came through this part of the park a few years back and knocked down a bunch of the trees. Now that means that a lot of fungi have taken over and are returning the nutrients back to the soil. You do reach a three-way intersection. I'm going to go ahead and turn left here rather than going straight, though either way will eventually take you back to the trailhead. You would just want to have a map to make sure that you know where you're going whenever you reach this point. Make sure you pop back onto the Sierra Trail when you see the sign, unless you want to do the loop again. Well, at a little over 2.5 miles, I have finished the trail, and boy, what a nice excursion from the house that was. It's right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, so you don't have to get out of town, no big time commitment, and also no great expenditure of energy required for this trail. It is generally flat, so I encourage you to get out and see it. This is also a good one for families with children or inexperienced hikers. It doesn't ask a whole lot of you, and of course you don't have to do the whole thing if this is your first time out, so I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I can keep doing this and making videos for you all. It is a great pleasure, and until I see you again, have yourself a good time on the trail. Bye-bye.